Hello class, I'm Mallory Russell,
I'm Bailey O'Connell.
and this is our marketing software presentation.
Software is important to the success for all businesses. However, one of the most important softwares in any company is going to be its marketing software. The reason marketing software is so important is because it will propel any company into the eyes of the public. There are many marketing softwares out there, and each solution has features that make it unique. The most important thing is to find what solution works best for your company.
SharpSpring is a cloud-based marketing tool that allows for customer relationship management, social and mobile marketing, sales team and marketing automation, customer service, and more. This marketing software is designed for companies of all sizes with any platform. The software is able to interface with any CRM on the market. One thing that makes this software unique is its feature, called SharpSpring's Visitor ID, which assists in catching anonymous site visitors simply by searching an IP address. Using this feature, an individual is able to identify who viewed the website and can gain their name and contact information. One company that uses this is DesignWorks.
SAM software can be broken down as software asset management, which is an information technology system which unites coworkers, competitors, and processes to provide the best sense of marketing to small/medium-sized businesses. Unlike other marketing software, SAM software provides essential data within one click of a mouse or your fingerprint on a cellular device. The main features of the system include email marketing, social marketing, content marketing, direct marketing, visibility, and marketing intelligence. These varieties of functions allow users to make their business unique. One example of SAM software distinguishing themselves from other marketing softwares is the ability to post automated posts on social media through data analytics. One example of a company that uses SAM software is Microsoft. By having this software, Microsoft is familiar where they stand amongst other competitors, having the ability to see real-time data.
Campaign Monitor software is defined as a cloud-based marketing solution that helps companies manage news subscriptions, produce reports, and deliver email newsletters. This company has several features that help executing email campaigns. This allows users to choose from professionally designed templates and customize their business needs. One advantage is the ability to track the audience behavior, how engaged they are in emails, and the amount of shared content. One company that uses Campaign Manager is Rogue Fitness.
Fingerprint software is valuable to creating exposure for any size business through strategic planning. This specific software works in a way where marketing takes over social media platforms through the use of advertisements. With social media consumption at an all-time high, this is a perfect opportunity for any type of business to attract high levels of publicity. Fingerprint software is essential for startup companies that want to hit the ground running or introduce themselves to new clientele. This software allows which customer should be targeted, whether it's a distinction by age, gender, or the season on which inventory will sell. The solution can be used to display Facebook and Instagram ads to anyone using businesses, emails, or social media. One example of a company that uses fingerprint software for marketing expenditures is Samsung.
eTrig is a cloud-based marketing that encourages users to create their own campaigns that help businesses with analytics and individual messages or cross-campaigning effectiveness. eTrig has customizable dashboards which enable users to immediately take action and to recreate their marketing efforts. One competitive advantage is the software is great when it comes to finding anonymous and known visitor tracking, as well as real-time alerts that allow salespeople to immediately respond to buying triggers. This software enables users to get trigger notifications on topics such as activity, timing, and other demographics. One company that uses eTrig is Skype.
Ario software is the perfect marketing tool designed for retail, real estate, and agencies. With a very simple platform, Ario sends text messages to interested customers instead of going through their email. Ario enables users to send surveys, sweepstakes, promotion, customer service, messages, and more via text. One example of a company that uses Ario software is Texas A&M University. This software is all about receiving customer feedback in a timely manner and attracting repeating customers, which is always a business's largest stream of revenue. Ario software serves as a marketing tool, allowing businesses to understand their clientele and seeking customers to buy more of their products/services through incentives. One feature that makes Aria software unique is the ability to send automated text messages to customers who seem out of the loop or have stopped doing business with them.
Textedly is a cloud-based SMS marketing tool that works with companies of all sizes. This software offers everything a company would need when communicating through text. It allows users to create their own auto replies, enable text scheduling, and send mass group texts. Users are able to send messages of over 300 characters to systems offers a link shrinking feature, which minimizes the number of characters taken up by hyperlinks. Textedly also accesses analytics such as subscribers activity, timestamps, histories of users, and other metrics of performance. One strategic advantage is that it is free incoming messages, and the system has no limits to the number of subscribers. One company that uses Textedly is the fashion company LuLaRoe.
MailChimp software is popularly used among small e-commerce businesses to large retailers, serving as a web-based email marketing tool to millions of users worldwide. This particular software is very versatile, having one control center database providing marketing on many platforms. The application allows users to share newsletters on various social networks and track customer engagements. The application provides tools to create targeted emails, run Facebook, add campaigns, automate follow-ups, and monitor campaign progress, amongst others. A specific example of a company that uses MailChimp software is Weebly, a very popular website amongst college students for startup companies.
Influence is a cloud-based marketing solution that provides tools to track and properly run online marketing campaigns. Some features that this system offers are calendars, social media and marketing tools, survey builders, and reporting tools. One advantage is that the email marketing tools that allows the customers to personalize their email campaigns and use custom email templates. One strategic advantage is the ability to create personal event pages. Marketing users are able to connect their social media accounts with these platforms to manage campaigns through Twitter and Facebook. One company that uses Influence is the Halo company.
HubSpot software is a cloud-based all-in-one marketing software platform. HubSpot helps companies of all sizes create a web presence, convert online traffic into leads that can be tracked, and nurtured and analyze business metrics to ensure marketing campaigns are progressing in the right direction. This marketing software works in a way to track site traffic and lead customers to buy more products or services. One important feature that is overlooked by many users is the idea of utilizing the key search engine. HubSpot marketing software purposely created a built-in search engine optimization system where businesses will pop up more frequently when clients search keywords on Safari or Google. One company that uses HubSpot to their fullest advantage is the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame.
As you can see, when technology advances, it helps each company's operations, whether it's with increasing revenue or quality of the products. Marketing software can be efficient for companies of any size and in any sector of the business. Marketing software can add organization and consistency to messages and performance, gain better customer service, improved reporting and planning, improved efficiency, and data security and quality. The key to great success with marketing software is to simply find the features that work best for your business. Thank you for listening, and we hope you learned a lot. Have a great break.